international, so solo ko na namin yung stage. To the Chief Minister and UPJP Secretary General Abdul Rauf Saligang para makakuha. Palakpakan po natin si Chief Minister. UPJP President and Chairman of the All Islamic Liberation Front, Ahmed Alhaj Quran Ibrahim, Vice President of the United Bangsamoro Justice Party, Minister Mohamed Iqbal. Ito napakahirap sundan ito pag nagsalita ito parang nakakaiyak sumunod. Our Vice President for Traditional Leaders, Dato Antong Bittipa. One of our guest of honors, a very good friend of the Bangsamoro, Governor of South Cotabato, and the President of Partido Federal ng Pilipinas, Governor Reynaldo Tamayo Jr. Maguindanao del Norte Governor, tawagin ko na po siyang Governor, Dato Tukaw Masura. Maguindanao del Sur Governor, Dato Ali Itimba. Mga kapwa ko kandidato sa Maguindanao del Norte, Maguindanao del Sur, and of course, special mention, I'd like to request my party mates in Cotabato City to please rise, led by Vice Mayor Johan Ata. Our friends from the national and local media, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Bago natin umpisahan, pag tinawag natin yung pangalan ng LGU, dapat sumigaw tayo ng matong tanong. Umpisahan natin. Maguindanao del Norte! Maguindanao del Sur! Cotabato City! Sabay-sabay! Alhamdulillah! Welcome to the joint Grand Proclamation Rally of the United Bangsamoro Justice Party and the Partido Federal ng Pilipinas. Cotabato City is truly honored to be the host of today's big event that signals victory not only of the candidates but of the people of the Bangsamoro, particularly Cotabato City, Maguindanao del Norte, and Maguindanao del Sur. I would also like to welcome you all, especially our visitors, to Cotabato City, the crown jewel of the Bangsamoro, na mula ng mapamunuan ng UPJP ay naging maliwanag, mas maunlad, at mas masaya. Isang patunay dito ang pagkakat ng Cotabato City bilang first class city noong 2024 mula sa pagiging third class, mahigit isang taon pa lamang tayo namuno sa Cotabato City. Ang mga dating napakatagal ng simpleng pangarap ng mga Cotabateños ay isinakatuparan natin. Traffic lights, sports plaza, LGU-owned gymnasium, libre dialysis center, CCTV system sa buong lungsod, at napakaraming iba pa. Sa panahon ng UPJP leadership, tunay na ang lungsod ng Cotabato ay naging karapat-dapat na tawagin crown jewel at capital of our. Palakpakan naman natin yan. Para sa kalaman ng lahat, lalo na ni PFP President Governor June Tamayo, Cotabato City has a population of more than 325,000, 135,000 of which are registered voters. We are happy and proud to report to the party leadership of both the UPJP and the PFP that in Cotabato City, we are gaining grounds and the trust and confidence of our people continue to grow because of our track record and accomplishments. Pinangangatawan at pinaninindigan natin ang ating slogan na sa Cotabato City, para sa lahat, aksyon ang solusyon. May the odds be with us in May 2025. Congratulations in advance to all PFP and UPJP